Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our 10th lesson and our lesson topic is add text and music, enhance Facebook videos with CapCut. So in this class you will be learning how to add text and music to your particular Facebook video and enhance the quality of your video and make it more attractive to others. This is mainly focused for the Reels, Facebook Reels. So let's go and try to create our particular video and add text and music. So after coming over to the Canva, you'll have this type of interface. Now let's go and import our particular video. So I selected this particular video. You can see the length is 31 seconds. So let's import this particular video over here. So we're going to create for Facebook Reel. So let's take our particular video over here and put it over here. Now let's play this one. So you can see it's playing and a couple is dancing in the dining hall or near to their sitting area. So now let's go and add some text and add some music to it. For that one, before we start with that one, let's adjust the ratio. We'll keep it as for Facebook. So for Facebook, 9:16 is the perfect ratio for the Facebook. So we'll select this one. Already this particular video is in 9:16 ratio. Now let's go and add some effects for this one. You can add effects if you want. If you don't want to add effects, you can leave it like this. So I'll be adding this one. So you can see this one or this one also we can just add. Now we'll put it over here till full video and let's add the text now. For the text, we have to go over here and select on text. You can just take any type of text design from here, or you can just start from basic, or you can just search for anything here. So let's select something appealing. This one. Let's put it over here. And now let's wait for this one to load. Now it's loaded and then select the text. Go over here. Title will put our. In text we'll put as story. Our story. Then let's decrease this one. We'll put another effect over here. Let's select the effect. We'll just take this particular effect over here. So now let's go and play this one. You can just adjust this by going over here. Glow will make more. Speed will make it slower. And range will increase. Strength also will increase. Now let's try to play once again our particular video. So you can see our story is here. Now if you want to have some animation for your particular text, you can just put also there. Let's put pause. We'll just select this one. Let's go over to the animation. Here you can just have the animation and you can just add animation for your particular text. So here you can see I'll not keep any animation. I'll go directly for the music. So for the music, I'll just go over to the audio. Now I'll just search something romantic. So romantic audio, I'll just search. romantic music. We'll select this and then we have to download our particular romantic music over there. So now let's try one by one. It will take some time to load, and after that you can just have your particular music there. As you can see, we just selected our particular music. We'll just trim our particular music. Like, let's play now and see how it's. It's quite fading from here and it's increasing the volume over here. So now let's go and trim it a little bit. We made this part separate and we'll delete this one. We'll put now like this. We'll decrease the size for this. And now you can just increase this particular text. Let's play once again. You can put any type of song also here if you want, and then it will work. Now let's go over to the export option. Click on export. Let's change our title as edit or Facebook edit. Facebook edit, and then let's export it to 4K. 30 fps to 60 fps will keep, and the format will keep this one only. And let's click on export. So it will just take some time to export. It's just showing you how much time it will just take and what is the estimated size for your particular video. So I hope you all understand about this class. If you are having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.